Okay, they have dropped off all their boats, skidoos, and what have you. And he's heading back up again, empty, because there was nobody coming. There we go.
It's coming up. And it will sit in the center, just like the way we first found it. If any of you are interested in coming up here to see this, or maybe even have a boat, and you would like to ride on the Big Chute, this is in Big Chute, Ontario. There you get to see a picture of the pulleys and the cables that make this thing run. The people who drive the Big Chute, looks like they can get on from the second floor, let's say, or the third floor. You can kind of see where they get on the Big Chute. Here is where the cables are, and of course they're run by electric. Try to move it across here so you can see. It's not a very clean window, and doing the best so you don't get outside glare. But these are the cables that go outside and are run through the under part of the Big Chute. Allows it to go up and down the hill to the two lakes.